Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the engine error that pops up when you try to launch Apex Legends. The first thing you want to do is open up your Steam library. Find Apex Legends, right-click on it, and choose Manage, then Browse Local Files. That's going to open the folder where the game is installed. Inside that folder, look for two files named r5apex.exe and r5apexd.x12. .exe. Go ahead and delete both of them. Don't worry, they'll be replaced automatically. After deleting them, go back to Steam, right-click on Apex Legends again, and this time click Properties. Under Installed Files, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the files and re-download anything that's missing or broken. This usually clears up the engine error right away. After that, restart your PC and launch Apex Legends again. The error should be gone, and the game should run normally. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.